it's here with
Jalen.
And last time I said I was going to do the exploding watermelon challenge for my science fair project, and we started that, and so far we think it's about to pop.
We put all the strong black ones on. Then
Yeah, we put all the black ones on, and then we almost have all the red ones on, and then so let's see. So here's our watermelon.
So far.
No, this is my side. She was on the wrong side. Okay, so let's go. I've got an extra one. I'm afraid it's gonna pop.
This video might be short.
It might be short because it's about ready to pop.
The tears from falling down.
Oh! What?
We got through all the red ones.
Oh my God.
High five.
So we got through all the red ones.
And look at it.
Yeah, it's about to pop.
Yeah. Oh crap! I can feel it. Look.
Yeah, it's about to pop.
Yeah.
So we're afraid it's gonna pop right in our faces. So let's go to blue. Here we go. Okay, so we got our first 3 blue ones on there.
I feel like it.
Oh my God.
What?
I can feel bumps right here where it's about to explode.
You wanna go get your mom?
No, she's fine. I can't stop the trees from falling down.
The tears from falling down.
It literally looks like it's about to fall.
When it pops, and when you should put it in slow motion when it pops.
I don't know how.
Me either.
I'll have to ask Maddie B.
You don't even know him.
Yeah. Okay, so our watermelon almost fell. This is scary. I think we need to put less ones on.
Yeah.
Closer.
Try to put more on until it get quicker done, and it might explode.
Faster. I feel like it's gonna go towards the camera. Oh my gosh!
I heard him. I heard him.
So there's no juice yet, but look,
It's like really red on that side. It looks like.
it's literally about to pop. So there's our watermelon. It's about to pop. So we have a lot on.
Oh, Shape of You. Shape of You. Song's up.
I love the song. Go.
We're wearing safety glasses so it doesn't get in our eyes.
We're actually wearing sunglasses, but we didn't have any safety glasses, so.
They're still better. Well, they're still the same. How? Guys, just imagine if we got through all the colors.
I know. Then I would have to go buy more rubber bands. Because me and my mom went to CV or
Why is there wet stuff on?
Does it smell like watermelon?
Smell it. Does it?
No, it smells like rubber.
Yeah.
It's water. It's water. Water doesn't smell. Oh my God. So here's our watermelon. I feel like it's about to pop because it's getting all like. I feel like it's just gonna pop in my face. So, oh yeah, and when it pops, all the rubber bands will fly off of it.
And she'll get them back.
I'll get them back so I can use them for my science project.
Okay, I feel like this is the magic one.
Oh my God, how? How?
When I go under there, I feel wetness. Oh no, it says coldness.
It's gonna, oh my God. So
Nothing
here's our
really.
watermelon. I feel like it's about to pop, Jalen.
Blue and red is our school color.
Then we have to add yellow. Bad yellows.
It will ruin the school color.
I know, right?
Black is not our school color though. Black already ruined it. Black just makes it look cooler though.
Your love was handmade for somebody
Somebody like me.
Let him listen to music. Oh my God. Oh, Jalen. Grab
What?
it. Grab it. How?
We're magic.
We are. I'm just afraid it's gonna pop.
We can tell Miss Randolph we did. I'm gonna tell Miss Randolph I did this over the weekend.
I'm gonna show her Miss Peters. I'll just post it on YouTube and I'll have her go to YouTube.
That's
It
embarrassing.
says watermelon challenge.
You're in my room.
Oh my God. I feel like it's about to pop, so. Oh my god.
When it pops, our reaction is going to be so funny.
Like,
So you guys might want to replay it. Holy crap! How?
I feel like it's gonna pop.
This magic one.
I don't think so.
We're almost done with blue.
I know. I think we'll have to go to yellow. Hold on.
If we get done with blue, we're gonna tell
Look at it! Just like so many. I feel like it's gonna pop in my
you.
hands.
She's wearing a belly shirt.
I'm wearing a belly shirt. My boyfriend see it. Oh my god.
Does he watch our YouTube channel?
I'll tell him about it.
No. It's weird. Remember how I was trying to. Why is there juice all over this?
It's water.
Oh, I was like, oh, is there juice?
I
in
saw
water?
you put your finger in it. I'm like, it's water.
I was like going like this.
I feel like it's about to pop, Jay. Just like quickly.
Oh!
Oh my
Your
god.
mom should go live on Facebook.
I know.
Or you should go lively.
Watermelons. What if a car just came by and exploded right in our faces? Come on, hurry. Hurry, get this done. Shay, you can't just leave me. I feel like it's about to pop.
Yeah, I feel something going on.
Oh my god. Okay, so
How is this thing not popping?
like this.
Like,
So it's about to pop. I'm just so afraid it's gonna pop right in our faces. So it's getting kind of breezy. That's too many because it won't go around. It's way yes it will. Oh jeez.
oh crap!
It's literally about to pop.
Do you feel bubbles?
Yes. Okay. Yay! Look at it. Okay, so it's about to pop. Like, oh my gosh. I literally feel like it's about to pop. Like if it's gonna pop, you guys can see it.
You guys can replay it over and over.
I know.
And we can't. We can only go through it once.
I know, sadly. You guys can play it over and over and over and over. Well, I mean, we can go to YouTube and watch it.
Yeah. Never mind, guys. This video won't be long. Okay?
It's fun. It's about to pop. What?
Like that looks so weird. Dude, we're almost done with blue.
It's about to pop.
When we're done with blue, I'm gonna tell your mom.
Go get her and I'll pause it. I'll pause the video. No, not yet. Okay, so we're almost done with blue. All we have to do is put these ones on, and then we're done with blue. So then we have to start on yellow, which ruins our school color. What if these ones make it stop?
Oh!
Oh, frick. So one of them popped, sadly.
Oh, there's still more.
There's one down there. You're on your foot. I feel like it's about to pop. Here. Stop. We have to do it together. Okay, so
I'm gonna go.
we just about finished with blue. Ah! Now we're back, and we're gonna start on yellow, which ruins our school colors. Oh my god, there's a bug on it. There was. I feel like it's about to pop. It's about to pop. Put more on it. Okay, if this pops, which is about
I can hear it. I can hear it.
So, oh my god. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's watermelon juice? No, it's just water. Ready? Here we go. Oh my god, how? I feel like it's about to pop.
We're watermelon geniuses. This video.
This
won't
was
be,
my idea, so
This video won't be long anymore.
it might.
I mean, this video won't be short anymore.
It might not pop.
Yeah.
We have to go get more. Rubber bands. Dude, don't leave my fingers, because then it'll pop and it'll get on my fingers. It's about to pop! There's watermelon juice.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
it is. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is, because there's no water right there. It smells like watermelons. It's about to
I tasted it and it smells like.
taste like it. Ew, look. Keeps being a bug on. Don't put that many on because
Yes.
it won't.
the sound try to back up. If